In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in GoHighLevel. First, let's begin by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Head over to their website, enter your login details, and then select your sub account. This is crucial because you'll have to choose the specific business or brand under which you want to send your email campaigns. Next, ensure your email service is connected correctly before proceeding. Navigate to settings, then go to email services, click on add service, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. You can choose from Mailgun, SendGrid, SMTP, or Gmail Outlook. Follow the on-screen directions to verify and authenticate your sender email address. It's important that you always send emails from your business email domain for improved deliverability. Now let's move on to creating or importing your contact list. Under Contacts, select Smart Lists. Here you can add a new contact or import an existing list by uploading a CSV file. Ensure that each contact includes essential details such as name, email address, and any tags for segmentation purposes. Tags are particularly useful for targeting specific groups within your audience. Once your contacts are ready, head over to the marketing section and choose campaigns. Click on plus new campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name, such as welcome series or client follow-up, and remember to hit save. From here, we'll add our first email. Inside your campaign, click plus add event and select send email. Then click Create New Email to open the email builder. When designing your email, you have two primary options: a simple plain text email or a more complex HTML template email using the drag and drop builder. The builder allows you to add elements like text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and even social icons. You can edit content directly on the screen and add your brand's logo and colors under the design settings. A helpful tip here is to keep your email concise, under 150 words, with a clear call to action. With your email design ready, it's time to set the timing. Decide when you want your email to be sent. This could be immediately, after a certain number of minutes, hours, or days, or at a specific date and time. Click Save Event to finalize your settings. For more complex sequences, you can chain multiple emails together for a drip campaign. If you wish to incorporate automation or triggers, GoHighLevel has you covered. Navigate to automation, then workflows. Create a new workflow and add a trigger like tag added or form submitted. Then follow that with an action to add to your campaign. Before you go live, it's absolutely crucial to test your campaign. Send a test email to your personal inbox and check the layout, links, and whether it lands in your spam folder. If it does, you might need to adjust the subject line or verify your domain's email settings. Finally, it's time to activate and launch your campaign. Head back to Marketing and Campaigns, toggle your campaign on, and watch as your emails start sending automatically. To monitor the performance, go to Reporting, then Email Stats. To review metrics like open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribes, use these insights to tweak your campaign for even better results.